Can you believe it's already been 3 months since your hair transplant? You are well on your way to seeing growth, and here's what you can do to facilitate that. In this video, I'll share a few important tips for you to follow over the next 3 months to make sure that your healthy hair grows in properly. We'll go over things like how to treat your scalp and important things you might want to know, like when will my hair grow? All right, let's get into it. By now, there should be minimal soreness and numbness in your donor area, and you may start to notice pimples in the transplanted area. This is common in many patients as the new follicles begin to work their way to the surface. And as annoying as breakouts can be, they're actually a good sign. They're an indication that soon you will start seeing new hair growth. To relieve any irritation, just apply a hot compress to the area, and the pimples will start to diminish all on their own. Not all patients will notice pimples, so if you don't happen to, that doesn't mean that new follicles aren't growing. You may not be able to tell yet, but your hair is starting to grow. Your transplanted hairs follow the natural cycle of hair growth, so everything is still right on schedule. You should start to notice hair growth within the next few months. And if you have any concerns about your progress, contact your Bosley counselor to schedule a post-procedure consultation. Well, thanks again for joining me. We look forward to checking in with you in a short 3 months. And as always, please feel free to reach us if you have any questions at all. At Bosley, we're here for you every step of the way.